In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members in Make. Bringing colleagues into your Make organization lets you collaborate on automations, assign the right permissions, and keep workflows organized. I'll guide you through logging in, opening the users area, sending an invitation, and setting the correct role, all in a few clear steps. First, open your browser and go to make.com. From the home page, head to the Login button. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google if that's how your account is set up. If your team uses a different sign-in method, select the option that matches your company's account. Once you're authenticated, you'll land inside your Make account. Next, navigate to your organization's settings. Look for the left-hand navigation and open the User section. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your organization, view their roles, and control invitations. At the top right, click Invite User. A dialog opens where you'll enter the details for the teammate you want to add. Start with the email address. Use their work email and double-check spelling. A typo means they won't receive the invite. Below that, add the person's name. This helps you quickly identify users later and keeps your member list tidy. Now choose a role. Roles determine what someone can see and do in your organization. As a quick guideline, admin can manage organization settings and users, editor can build and edit scenarios, and viewer has read-only access. Pick the least privilege role that still lets the person do their job. You can adjust it later if needed. There's also an optional note field. Use it to share context, like which team they're joining or what projects they'll work on. Notes are especially helpful when multiple admins manage access. When everything looks good, click Save to send the invitation. Make will email the person a link to accept and join your organization. Until they accept, you'll see their status as pending in the users list. If the email doesn't arrive, ask them to check spam or resend the invite from the same users page after a minute. That's it. You've logged in, opened the users area, invited a teammate, assigned the right role, added optional context, and saved your changes. Repeat these steps for each person you want to bring into Make, and keep your roles up to date as responsibilities evolve. Thanks for watching and happy automating.